So we've got a line, got a saw, nice sharp blade. We're going to use the saw as a plunger and then we're going to come through. So I've got the saw depth set at its maximum depth because I want to get as tight as I can get to that corner. So nice and slowly allowing the saw to cut and not forcing it. Going to move it over a little bit because I'm hitting on my wooden braces underneath it and I don't want to be cutting through that as well. Right. So that's the first cut. I'll do the rest and I'll come back and show you how to finish the corners off. So there you've cut up to your lines. Obviously the way the saw curves, it's not cut at the bottom. So now we need to just bring in a handsaw and just run it in these lines and just clean it up. Now I don't do all of them together. We'll actually cut that. Then I know that it's not going to fall out and cause damage. So this part of the worktop is supported by a saw install, so I can cut through both this side now. Because I know it's not going to fall out. So, and now we've just got these two sides to do. So we've got this one here. And then the final one, this one, so I'm just going to support it with this. That down, take that out, and now our cinch is fitting.